Good morning, everybody. It is sunny outside. Perfect time to go cycling. I'm tuning up this Specialized road bicycle right here. It's got some shifting and brake issues. Very minor tune-up. Nothing too complicated. So yeah, got clipping pedals. Got a nice little compass on the handlebars. That way you don't get lost. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, the wheels are not too out of true. Yeah, not too bad. It's very quick job. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, got this. All right, I'm gonna see if the wheel's seated in the bicycle. Well, actually, I gotta check those bearings. The bearings in this wheel. Make sure the cupping cones are secure. Yeah, pretty secure. I'm gonna see the tightness on this cassette lock ring. Oh my gosh. I think this is cross-threaded. It looks like this. Feels like it. I just need some grease on it. I get my this is my cassette lock ring tool. I can install it on a ratchet. It's made by Foundation. That's what is it called? Jensen USA brand. Pretty good. Check them out online. Company in California. Really good prices. Highly recommend. Okay, I need some grease. Hold on one sec. Yeah, it's just a little spritz here. So a little bit of grease on there. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna put the hub at. Oh shit, my bad. Shit. Okay. Okay. I'll put some chain lube on it. It's always good to put chain lube on it while it's out of the wheel is removed. That way you don't get no chain lube on the braking surface of the rim. You don't want your brake pads to get contaminated with lubricant. Big no. So yeah. Yeah, work it in there. Gotta pedal it. And there we go. See, don't forget to wipe it. Yeah, bottom bracket's okay. It's pretty good. I'm gonna get some isopropyl alcohol. Don't drink and drive, kids. Don't drink and ride your bicycle, that's for sure. It's just in this type of bottle. It's not potable, or what is it called? Drinkable. So I like to clean the brake pads. It's kind of, you know, whatever contaminations are on it. These are kind of hard. But this customer, they don't ride a lot, so I'm not going to slap new brake pads on it. They're good enough, though. And I'll let them know, like, if you start riding, switch out the brake pads. They're getting a little, they're still kind of gooey, you know. But I'm going to get a little, my file on it. My file is, use it to kind of scuff up the brake pads. It's a metal file, a round one. So sometimes you gotta clean these jockey wheels. They get a little nasty. All the gook in it, all the gunk. Okay. Yeah, it's not really bad. Not that bad, eh? I'm not doing a clean, I'm just a wipe, you know? It's just a wipe. Wipe this down. It's not that dirty. Hasn't been used that much, eh? Okay. Maybe a little tighter. So I'm using my knee to kind of push it up in the frame, you know. pretty good. Check the bearings on this one. Cup and comb bearings. Yeah, it's feeling good. Feeling good, Okay. Yeah, pretty good, eh? It's not that bad. Shifting's actually pretty good on it. Yeah, the B screw's not set. See how it's rubbing right there, that jockey wheel on the lowest gear in the rear, the biggest cog. So yeah, that B screw's not set. That's the only thing. Where's my see how my battery is doing. I don't even touch my head. Hopefully everything's going good with that. Yeah, you know what? This thing needs to be screwed in pretty much all the way. Sometimes they don't put the proper derailleurs on bikes from the manufacturer, or maybe somebody else is modifying their bicycle and they don't, they don't check these. They don't know how to set the B screw on it, or it's not the right derailleur. It doesn't have the proper amount of range on it. Yeah, it's not the proper derailleur for it. It's like a medium-sized cage. I don't know, because the B screw is screwed all the way in, but it's still not. Yeah, bummer. I've seen manufacturers put the wrong derailleurs on the bicycle. That's the BS they got to deal with. The front derailleur's set pretty good. See how it is. Just when you get in the biggest. Oh no, actually no, it's working now. I guess the B screw got settled in. Well, oh no, it's because this chain. The chain is because I'm in the high gear right now. Actually wait, I'm in the middle gear. Yeah, right now. Let's see what's going on. That chain might be. Could probably take a link out of that chain. Oh yeah, it's rubbing on there. Yeah, I got some brake rub on there. It's got to true the wheel. It's not that minor. Pretty minor. Yes. I gotta get my spoke keys for the chain. It's for my hands. Oh no, this no cussing. Still recording. Yeah, we're doing pretty good on battery. 17 minutes so far. Alright, gonna get the spoke key. Not that one. Should be the red one. Yep, red one. Okay, so there's rubbing on here. Right here is rubbing. Right here, so it's right by the. Usually, it gets really bad by the valve. It's because I don't know, the rim's not made perfect, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's kind of loose though. The spokes are pretty loose now. Yeah, doing good. Still a little bit of rubbing on there. This lady's bicycle is going to be tuned up real good. The wheel's going to be straight. Pretty straight. Truing wheels takes a great deal of patience and paying attention. So if you ever think about doing this, it's like, don't get frustrated, because pretty good. It's good. Good. I'm gonna tighten up these brakes a bit on the rear, because I think they're just too loose. And I don't like that barrel adjuster being out like that. Yeah, just get a slight. Easy day today. Oh, thank goodness, because it's nice today. I'm gonna relax today. I'm gonna relax, man. Hey, how's it going? Hey. Hey. Da. We're downtown right now. It's a really active, bustling. Hey. Eating some comidas. So I got eating some food. Got some grub from the gas station. And I was like, man, let me get some of them chips, bro. Let me get some of those chips. I want some chips. Okay, how's it going? I want some chips. I want some pork grinds. Some hot sauce on it. That's what I'm talking about. These brakes are pretty easy to adjust. I don't like the way the brakes are set. They're not too. They're set too high. This can rub on the tire, cause a blowout. It's not good. No bueno. No bueno. So I'm gonna get me some. Get a 5mm Allen key. Pretty simple brakes. Yeah, they were way too high. And this is why they call the professional. Because you know what? You do not want to damage your tires. That's not a good. Getting a flat on the way home. Not fun at all. Man, that was tight. Customer bought this bike used right here. It's a nice bike, man. Now, for all you new riders, just because there's not a cap on here doesn't mean it's gonna leak air and you're gonna get flats. No. The cap just protects it from dirt and debris getting on the valve. But you got to worry about that more with a Schrader than a Presta. But it's good to wipe it if it's muddy before you pump it. But yeah, we got those brakes dialed in, all good. I tighten these right. I always tighten the rear more so than the front brakes because you don't want to go over your handlebars. Some guy at Barnett's teacher tried to tell me, "Oh, that's not true." And I was like, "Are you serious, man? You're gonna give me disinformation like that?" He's like, "Oh, the rear should be tight. No, the front should be tighter than the rear." I'm like, dude, this guy don't know what he's talking about. I'm not saying all the techs at Barnett's, but yeah. Oh, it's got these on them. Oh yeah. Man, that electric car is extremely loud. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm like, what the majoli? Okay. All right. I gotta mess with that front brake. Great. So Really, really cool. Really, really cool. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that front brake was not tight at all. The mounting bolt right here on the back of the fork. Yeah, that was pretty scary. I'm gonna tighten up these front brakes just a little bit, man, because it's I don't like how it's that loose. I'll leave it like that. She might have short hands, but let me see. I'm gonna clean those brake pads. Then I'm gonna dismount the bicycle. You know. Yeah, that's way too much. Ow. Where's these? Uh-oh, somebody's coming. Oh, hi. Hi. Okay, got this. Let's put this wheel back in. All right. I could use the barrel adjuster to. I don't like using barrel adjuster that much, but okay. A little bit. That's too tight. Don't want to kill it. Yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna tighten it a tad bit, man. Just a tad, just a little bit, man. Just a little bit. Just want it a little bit tighter, man. Just a little bit. That's better. Me personally, I like it like that. Well, I should do this one a little bit looser. Just a tad bit loose. This isn't a very high torque, so I mean you gotta tighten it just enough, but you gotta tighten it enough. But yeah, that's better. I like that. This is tighter. Yeah, it's tighter. Okay. I don't know. Shifting seems pretty decent. Yeah, it's just the it's just that yeah. Alright, I'm gonna check the headset. Ow, whacked myself in the face. Okay, yeah, so oh man, that was loose. That was real loose. Yeah, that's not good. Was that a 4mm? I got a 4mm in here. I got my little 4mm ratchet. Is this a? Please be a 4. Okay. No, it's a what? I think this is. Yeah, it's my 4 on there. Yeah, these are not that. Yeah, they're tight enough. Yeah, they're tight enough. These. Yeah, that wasn't that tight. Yeah, so that pretty much and then pretty really nice. Usually those water bottle cages, they get a little loose, a little loosey goosey on me. But I don't know. Yeah, that one was really loose. Water bottle cages. Other than that, it's a pretty solid bike. Yeah, that's just a general tune-up, pretty light tune-up. Wasn't that bad. Anyways, yeah, book an appointment online on my website, www.bosquemobilebicyclerepair.com. I go to you. Don't go to the bike shop. Save time. Book an appointment on my website. I'll see you guys next time, all right? So, ciao.